Just experience the future of 3D printing with Thomas Studios is transparent like PPA liquid nylon. This hollow lacework bowl shows every fine detail, so like unclear, durable, and drop resistant. For example, like these transparent glasses are very small in size with thin walls, yet they are so incredibly strong and resistant to breaking. Next to a lacework like bracelet with like ultra fine strands printed to perfection. It's not only detailed, but flexible and so strong, so bending without breaking. Finally, this lace pattern doll outfit piece actually demonstrates precision and clarity. So perfect for creators who demand really excellence in every detail.